Hello everyone, good evening. Ayan, so magbibigay tayo ng panibagong update. Ayan, 2025, first PBT. According sa 2025 first topic test application po, it will begin po starting tomorrow. Application period yan is mula December 10, Tuesday po hanggang December 16, Monday. Ayan po. So ang test date po nito is January 19, 2025, Sunday, linggo po. Ang score announcement po will be announced po on February 27, 2025. And then that is actually Thursday po, alas 3 ng hapon. Test format po nito is paper-based test or PBT na tinatawag. Ang location is South Korea. Test offered po in topic 1, listening and reading. Topic 2, listening, reading, and writing po. Topic application states po vary by region when applying for topic applicants po. Of course, definitely will flock to test all at once. So, if you can apply po sa umaga, may mga regions po na may mga regions na walang seat. Ayan po. So, sa base po sa experience ko nung nag-apply po ako ng topic, ayan, it turned on my, of course, it turned out na I think CBT to, no, kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Na-try ko na rin yung PBT. Ayan. So, sa CBT naman, computer based yan, before 10 AM ng umaga dapat at least makapag-prepare na ng test. Yan, yung application period nito is 7 days. So yung application dates nito will vary po by region. Ang regional split application period nito is mula day 1, and day 1 that is 10 AM po on Tuesday, December 10. So ibig sabihin ano po yun, no? Alas 4 ng hapon, December 16. Yan sa Seoul, Gangwon, Gyeongnam, Gyeongbuk, Cheonam, Jeongbuk, Jeju, Cheongnam, Cheongbuk. Day 2, pangalawang araw. That is 10 AM in the morning po Wednesday. So, sa Merkules and December 11, alas 4 rin ng hapon. Lunes din yun, Monday. Tapos, December 16. Ayan po, ang day 2 po is Gyeonggi-do, Incheon, Gwangju, Daegu, Daejeon, Busan, Ulsan. Day 3 to 7. 10 AM in the morning until December 12. That is Thursday po, 10 AM. December 12 siya. Yan, I'm sorry, I stand corrected. Thursday, December 12. So, 4 PM po ng hapon on Monday naman till Monday, that is 16. Yan, no? So, 16 siya. Bali, ano oras na matapos? Hanggang alas 4 din siya. Ayan po, that is 16. Mula December 11 hanggang December 16. Ayan. Pag December 11, umpisa ng 10 AM po until December 16. Ayan po, umpisa naman ng, ng 10 AM yan ng umaga. Basta until, usually talaga 10 AM po nag-start to. And then, day 3 to 7, 10 AM po ng umaga, Thursday, December 12 po yun, hanggang alas 4 ng hapon. So, until, din yan, I think alas 4 ng hapon. Minsan, tumatagal na yan halos buong araw. Depende na lang yung dami. I think, all regions of South Korea limited to remaining seats. So, explain po natin kung paano mag-pay doon sa application fee. Card payment is paying po yung exam fee with the credit card or yung card na tinatawag. And then, explain po natin yung mga additional details. Then, topic exams also have a virtual account payment option. So, if you will pay po online for a virtual account, ang gasang gadget tawag nila doon. A temporary account number po will be issued to examinee. The examinee must deposit yung exam fee into this temporary account po para ma-complete yung payment. Virtual account payment po is 24 hours on the day of application. So, you must deposit po yung exam fee into temporary account po within the given time. So, when paying po yung exam fee with a virtual account number, please make sure po na ma-confirm yung virtual account number and your name. Examination fee po ng payment period, payment po must be completed by midnight the day after po the day after the application. Ayan po, inuulit ko yung payment niyan. I think may mga ideas naman na kayo kung paano to, no? By credit card, payment possible po until 4 PM. Yan, 4 PM siya kung di ako nagkakamali. Alas 4 on the day of application, and then by virtual account, payment possible until 12 ng tanghali, afternoon, on the day of application po. However, only applicants lang po who have been issued a virtual account by 4 PM on the day of application po can make a payment. So, examination fee natin sa topic 1 po is 40,000 won, that is sa Manon. And then sa topic 2 naman po, 55,000 won, so that is Oman 8 nun. Yan. So, yun lang po yung mga dapat natin i-share sa mga kababayan natin na interesado na mag-take po nung sa PBT. Ayan, for paper-based test na exam. So, yun lang po. I hope makatulong sa ating mga video, mga interesado. You can share po sa mga kakwitasas nyo, friends, yung mga kakilala ninyo, family members. Ayan. So, salamat.